There's a new web browser on the market, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Turn Off the Lights extension in the Atlas browser, step by step, no confusion, no skipping. Let's go. First, if your Atlas web browser is already open on macOS, click on the Apple menu bar on the menu item view, and then choose Extensions. This will open a new page in the browser showing all the extensions currently installed. Right now, there are no extensions visible. To add one, click on the Chrome Web Store link. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. In the search bar, type Turn Off the Lights, a popular browser extension. Next, click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Add Extension. After a few seconds, the Turn Off the Lights extension will be installed in your Atlas browser. Once installed, you might not see the extension icon right away in your toolbar. To pin it, click on your avatar icon in the top right corner of the browser, then select Extensions. In the list, find Turn Off the Lights and click Pin to Browser bar. You'll now see the gray lamp icon appear next to your address bar. Now, for example, if you search for OpenAI in the address bar and open any web page, you can click the gray lamp icon at any time to dim the page. Click it again to remove the dark overlay. The Turn Off the Lights extension helps you stay focused while watching videos. When you're on YouTube, a single click dims the entire page and highlights the video player on top of a dark background. Double-clicking the gray lamp icon opens a small settings panel where you can adjust the opacity of the dark layer using a slider. You can also change the color of the overlay or open the full Turn Off the Lights options page for more customization. And there you have it. You just leveled up your Atlas browser. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more cool tips and tricks. I'll see you next time with another great tip. Bye!